So while we're under it, I'm going to change the oil. Yeah, that too. It's about to rain and I'm not happy about it. Got under the car. Starter seems like it's held on with 2 bolts. This is my first time doing anything with a JDM car. Let's see how quickly I can screw this up or it gets squirrely. Ow. 3 seconds into taking the starter solenoid off and it's already stabbed me. Listen here, liar. You and I are gonna tangle. In the words of Hank Hill. God damn it! There we go. Alright. Now, stab me again. I hate this rubber boot. And whatever this thing stabbing my finger is. This is likely not the right size, but we're gonna try it. Why am I even trying to do this with a socket? Let's go get a wrench of maybe this size. I didn't know what size it was, so I got 3 of them. Let's start with the trusty old 13mm. That looks wrong. Ow! Hello! So, okay, that's the ground. No, it's not. That's the hot. Let's try not to ground this out again. Or, in fact... Either way, that's not the right size. Needs to be smaller. Is it a 12? I don't know. I can't tell. Ow! Fuck! There has got to be an easier way to do this. I have an idea. For the record, me saying ow doesn't mean it actually hurts. That actually just means that, that's just my natural reaction to things that look like they might hurt, or they could potentially hurt. Yeah, I know I'm a wuss, whatever. Leave me alone. Also, I'm going to cut off this boot-looking stupid thing. I hate it. That probably just grazed the top of it. Nope. Alright. Zing it off. Hey, man. Give me that shit. Why? What? There's no way that rubber is that strong right there. Damn it. Ah! Cram my camera back in its correct location. Sorta. No. Okay. Stop! Got the rubber boot off, discovered that the nut on the end of the starter solenoid is a 12mm. Thank you for metric size tools, Japanese car. Me love you long time. Now I'm going to remove this and see where we're at. I wonder how many times I've blown this fuse. Just arcing it off on that little piece of crap metal right there that I think I'm about to cut off because it's useless. Alright, let's do that. For those of you unaware, whenever you arc something that is connected to the hot side of your battery and it doesn't already have a good ground, it melts your wrench. Snip, snip, snip! Uh-oh. They won't fit. Goodbye, zip tie. Let's see what else can electrocute me in the process. In fact, can I actually just bend those? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Here we go. Alright, they do bend. Come on, buddy. I know you want to. Get your ass over there. Neat. Let's go to the stendo setting where I can get some fucking grip. Alright. That's bent out of the way. Now for the other one. Skirt. Either way, it's out of the way enough now. Let's try this again, without arcing on my hand. Alright, that's so much better. How quickly can I electrocute myself now? Quickly? Let's do it. You know, I probably shouldn't have disconnected the ground first. Oh well. Or even better, I should disconnect the battery. For those of you watching this video, sitting there shaking your head or with a palm in your face, yeah, I probably should have disconnected that battery first, but now it's not going to zap me anymore. Hooray. Let's now remove the nut. There we go. Then that comes off. Then, what the hell is that? What is that connected to? Oh, the starter. Duh. And just like that, the starter is out. Sorta. Let's do this without dropping it on my head, please. That would be nice. Ah! Alright. Oh, wait. Almost. Alright. I win! What do I win? A trip to the auto parts store! Hooray! Fuck. There she is. Dirtier than I don't know what. I'm assuming that's the original because holy crap, does it have a lot of crap on it. That spins. I don't know if that does me anything, but probably not. Anyways, I'm going to wash my hands and we'll see you at the store. According to that there feller here at O'Reilly's, my starter is still good. I don't know how or why the car is not turning on, but we're going to go home, put it back on, and then we're going to play doctor with wires, and hope to God it's just a bad ground somewhere, because if it's not that, I don't know what's going on.